Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about bringing you the best in beauty. Let's talk mascara today, because who doesn't love the idea of bold, sexy lashes without the hassle of falsies? The Black Radiance Bold and Sexy Fiber Mascara promises to give you just that. It's designed to amp up your lashes with fiber-infused pigment, promising both volume and length, all while isolating each lash for an intense dark finish. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review like this one. Alright, let's see if this mascara really lives up to the hype. The Black Radiance Bold and Sexy Fiber Mascara comes with some pretty bold claims. It promises colossal volume, extended length, and a pigment-rich formula that coats each lash with dark, intense color. The standout feature? The fibers that stack onto your lashes for added volume and length. It's essentially supposed to give you that false lash effect, but without the need for actual falsies or extensions. One of the things I noticed right away is the brush. It's specially sculpted to help isolate and magnify each lash. This means no clumps, just smooth, sleek lashes with intense black color. For me, a big factor with mascara is how easily it applies. You know those mascaras where you're trying to get your lashes coated, but you end up with smudges all over your eyelids? That's not the case here. The brush helps distribute the product evenly, even on smaller lashes near the corners of your eyes. Now, let's get into how it performs day to day. I wore this mascara during my regular beauty routine, which includes everything from running errands to having long meetings in front of a screen. The Black Radiance mascara held up really well, not flaking or smudging, a huge win. It gave me noticeable volume and length that lasted all day. I also tested it in more humid conditions, and while it didn't flake, I did notice a little bit of transfer after several hours, especially on my lower lashes. But considering the volume and length it gave me, I think it's a minor trade-off. Let's talk about the pros. First off, the volume. I love how this mascara builds on itself without clumping. It's pretty buildable, so you can add layers for even more dramatic lashes. The length it provides is impressive too, and that fiber infusion really makes a difference. The brush is another highlight. It's designed to coat every lash from root to tip, even those smaller lashes in the inner corners of the eyes. On the flip side, the formula, while great for volume and length, does leave a slight transfer after long hours, especially in humid conditions. Also, if you're looking for a super subtle, natural look, this might not be your go-to mascara. It's definitely for those who like bold lashes with a bit of drama. When it comes to value for money, this mascara is pretty reasonable. Given the results and the price, I'd say it offers solid value, especially for those who want that false lash effect without the maintenance. Compared to other fiber mascaras in the market, this one holds its own in terms of performance, and the brush design makes it easy to use. Now, if you're looking for similar products but want something that's a little more budget-friendly, you could check out mascaras from brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal. These also offer fiber-infused formulas, but some may be more suitable if you're on the hunt for a more budget-friendly alternative. However, if you're looking for volume, length, and a dark, rich finish, this one is certainly worth considering. The Black Radiance Bold and Sexy Fiber Mascara also doesn't disappoint in terms of packaging. The sleek tube feels solid, and the applicator brush is easy to work with, offering a lot of control. Plus, the product is well made with no issues when it comes to the applicator malfunctioning or the formula drying out quickly. So, is this mascara worth the splurge? I'd say yes for anyone looking for a fiber-infused mascara that offers both volume and length, without the need for extensions or falsies. It delivers on its promise to add drama to your lashes. But if you're sensitive to transfer or need something that holds up all day in more humid conditions, you might want to consider other options. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Black Radiance Bold and Sexy Fiber Mascara if you've tried it. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.